Hi, Steve at SplitCharge.
Hi guys, Steve at SplitCharge again. Got another job in this week, and this one's all hands on deck, to be honest. We've even got Sam down here helping us. Sam's just on the roof doing the solar. It's got a 100, is it a 160 that he had up here?
Yeah.
160, which isn't enough for the systems we do. So Sam's up there trying to squeeze up as much as we can. I've got Ian stripping down the front end for me, whereas I am in here. So as usual, we want to use as little space as we can. So this tiny little buddy seat, which isn't really good for anything, apart from it had that little drawer on that pulled in and out from here, and then that's all the storage that was inside this little buddy seat. So in this little seat, I've got to fit a Fogstar 280 and a Victron 3K. It's just out in the box down there, as well as all the chargers, all the distribution, all the fuses and everything else. So I'm on with this bit, Sam's on the roof, Ian's on with running my cables to the front. So yeah, we've got 2 days to get this one done. Let's see how fast we can do it. Right then, so here's the plan. I've had to change quite a few things because it didn't fit in the little box area here that I've had in here. So I've had to cut out the floor. So I haven't had a chance, I haven't cleaned it up yet. But yeah, this is the rough cut. I've managed to take out all the floor inside this little box. I've made it that much deeper. So now the inverter fits and I have somewhere to put the rest of my stuff. This pipe was in my way. The customer says that they don't mind if I move it. So we've got a hole there that I've got to cover up with something. So it's probably going to have a USB or a 240 volt socket or something there. So I've managed to move that down to here, put the vent here. I've drilled through this bit of wood in here and out there. So that pipe's going to go through there and onto that, and then that's the heater pipe out the way, and I have full access to all this area. So we'll have a quick look at how Sam's getting on, and then I'll tidy up, get it all cleaned up and ready for the next stage. Alright Sam, you want to just talk us through what your plan is with the roof?
So we've got 385 watt Victron panels going up there. We can just make them fit. Just making some custom aluminium mounting rails for them. Ian just on that now. We've got one mocked up over there already.
So we've got this one mocked up with some custom aluminium brackets on.
Just cut to size, stainless screws in there obviously. That's going to get bothered to the roof shortly. Got roof to prep and clean up on top, so Ian's going to give me a hand doing that shortly. And yeah, there'll be 530 watts, is it? Something like that?
Yeah, what did we take off? 160?
160.
Yeah.
Just one single panel.
So plenty solar on the roof. Nice Victron solar panels. Yeah, let's keep going. Right, so day 2. Everyone's on it again. I've got my inverter now in the hole on a plate. It's not fastened down yet. I've got to get the wires to it because it's that tight. I'll put my light on so you can see it a bit better. So yeah, it's that tight. I've got to put the wires on before I fasten the inverter down. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going with this, and Sam's gonna do me a bit, and Ian's doing me another bit. So yeah.
Well, I'm just supervising. I'm here.
You alright under there, Ian?
Great.
Busy, busy.
So you're talking? No. I'm just about to get on the roof again. We've got some weight on solar panels. Solar panels will be set. Get them off. Got a patch lead to make a couple of meters long, and then get it inside, and that's my job done.
Hi, Steve at SplitCharge. Oh, sorry, is it filming?
So guys, it's been a long couple of days, but we're done now. We've had a good team effort today, well, this week, and we've managed to get it. We've managed to get it all sorted. So I've copied what I've done on previous jobs, and I've turned the nice drawer into a nice folded down flap, so you can get down and get to all your fuses and get to everything else. And then under here is the battery. Although it looks like there's loads of room now, that's only because I've had to cut all the floor away. So I've managed to cut the floor out at this height and drop it down to this height inside the box. So that means I can get the battery inside. And I've had to move the air vent that points out that way towards the driver's seat. And I've managed to get it down here into this spot. And then I've changed the hole where this vent used to be on that side to a 240 volt socket, because they wanted one this side of the van anyway, but apparently there's not one over here at low level. Well, now there is. Then the solar, we've got 530 watt of solar on the roof with 3 Victron 180 watt panels. So yeah, it's a pretty good build, this one. Nice little tidy area for it all to go, plenty of solar. So yeah. So you've been upstairs and you've seen the roof already, haven't you?
Yes, I saw that, yeah.
Shan't see the roof, I forgot. I don't.
Jane.
Are you bothered about seeing what's on the roof?
It's not there.
So yeah, we've got you 530 watts on the roof.
Yep.
Step
That's
out.
nice, yeah.
So I've managed to keep your cupboard door.
Yep.
So it all just folds down,
Brilliant.
nice and neat. Get the fuses in there.
Yep.
I've labelled
Oh,
them as
right.
well.
Oh, great. Okay.
So you know what the fuses do.
Yeah.
If you ever need to, but if any of them go,
Yeah.
you've got a massive problem.
Oh,
So if one of them goes,
I've got trouble.
just give us a ring
Yeah. Okay.
and we'll be able to talk you through it.
Yeah. Right.
In here, got the nice little
yeah.
inverter.
Brilliant.
Yeah. So I've got you the 240 volt socket
Yep.
on the front,
Yep.
and then I've even put you the big vent on the front on
Oh yeah.
the
That's
face
good.
of it. So that looks
nice actually.
that looks quite factory, doesn't it? Really, doesn't stand out.
That's good. I didn't know whether that was going to come off.
Because I've had to lower the floor down, I've managed to keep it. And then obviously I moved your air vent like we discussed earlier.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, other than that, it's
Beautiful.
all tied into the factory system. Everything works like it should do.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll if I can pinch your phone, I'll connect everything to it, get you all connected and working on the apps.
Had the full off-grid system fitted and excellently fitted by Sam. We're looking forward to going off-grid for longer periods and it charging back and not having to worry about connecting to electric. The service here is excellent so far. What we know of it, it's brilliant. He's done a lovely job. So neat and tidy, everything he's done.